Out here taking tree down, DeWalt 60-volt brushless sawzall for the win. Need to get a new chainsaw, but taking that tree down to make room for, get a 10 by 20 temporary carport I'm going to use as a quick shed so that I can get all my stuff out of the basement and our shed that we have now that's leaking, and take that shed down so I can finish cutting the trees down. Quite a few more pine trees I want to get down, and that way we can back some trucks in, get a couple loads of fill, and cut the rest of that stuff up, haul away any stumps. Probably not gonna be able to burn anymore, but that way we can get trucks back here, dump a load, a couple loads of fill, level out the yard a little bit, and then Harley rake all this, loam it, seed it, be done. I have this pine tree growing up through there we gotta get down, but yeah, I want to get the yard graded, so I'm gonna put the 10 by 20 right next to the driveway. That way I can back my truck down in, load stuff in and out. I'm gonna put some staging in it, shelving, and that way I still have room for the lawnmower, things like that. Just get everything all into one spot until we can get a new shed. It'll probably end up getting a 10 by 20 shed with a lofted barn style, so we can have some storage up in the lofted barn style. Gotta move my shingles again out of the way. Hopefully be getting those on the house this season. That's the goal. So yeah, 60-volt DeWalt sawzall for the win. I'm gonna bring the excavator over and start cleaning this up, get it over towards the burn pile, get this stump out, and then got some grading to do in this area. I'll probably just see what we can do with some temporary timbers and some crushed stone, just so that everything stays dry in there. It's not just sitting on the ground. So, update at the homestead. Had an early day today at work, waiting on some materials. So take the old Takeuchi TB250-2 and bring it over here and get rid of that. I gotta get a sling around these shingles and put them somewhere. I have to wait till Brody gets here to give me a hand. So I'll touch base at the end of the day.